gallows. You think you lowlives have a shot of replacing us? We've been through worse. Heh, then you get through this. Up, okay. To the gallows they go. It's all the same in the end. I keep pressing the wrong button for some reason. Hey! Are you a friend or foe? Free at last. Thank you, benevolent strangers. You're a friend this time. Hello. My wood magic can help you escape the gallows. Here. Oh, okay. We got over there quickly too, apparently. Whew. The code compels me to leave the spires, but I will not forget this debt. Safe journeys. Sweet. Our prisoner has been freed. Verlot? Oh, Yankee. Oh, my Saint Eminence. The traps all worked, but the assassin on our team has reflexes like I've never seen. I'm sorry, there was nothing more I could have done. We went through a lot of trouble to capture Verlot. Verlot won't do anything. He lives by the code. His attempt at challenging us has failed, and thus he is compelled to exile himself from the spires. The others are still coming. What then? We defend our titles. Heh. Hello, hello. How's it going? Welcome back to Sea of Stars. Okay, so we are out of the gallows now. Just tip, tap, tip, tap all the way over here to the spires. Oh, glad we got a tutorial for one of these memory games. Okay, okay, that was that. That was, oh god, I already forgot. Oh shit, okay, I got 3 strikes until... What? Wait. Okay. Oh, it was that, okay. And then... Oh, I didn't look properly at these. No, damn it. Okay, hold on. Oh, it switched again. Okay, those, no. Oh god. I don't have time to look at this shit, man. I got lucky with that one, okay. Woo, I got lucky. Okay, cool. My brain gave me an advantage, I guess. I was like, yeah, alright, I got you. I'll just help you with the luck. Okay, nothing on this floor. So up we go. Whoop, okay, didn't expect to climb up that. What are the... Interesting. Okay. So do 2 of us have to stand on them at the same time, or what's the deal with that? I see enemies up there. I can jump down this. Oh, okay, never mind. I guess they're coming. I guess they're coming to us. Why not? Sit on with this. Wow, that took a lot of my magic. IMP. Ah, damn it! I held it for a tiny bit too long. Bit of a bitch. Blunt and arcane, huh? Okay. Bunches. Man, I just friggin' used jail too. Damn. I don't have any live mana. Oh wait, this works. Okay. Okay, well, that straight up killed him. Good. Okay, this is gonna hurt. Ow. Alright, let's just do this and take out a bunch of your health. I like how they poo every time I hit them. Because they're owls. Nice. OP. Okay, oh yeah, what's the deal with this? So... Okay, that's nothing. I jumped down there for later, I guess. Okay, nothing on this floor. Oh, I can't jump off of that? Okay, I have to, like, do this. Although that doesn't really... Whatever. What are you? Interesting. Can I push you? Ah! Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay. And then I assume I have to, like, bring you down with me. Yep. Okay. Push you there. Oh, and you're conveniently just right there. Yeah. And then... Does it matter which one I push you to? Oh, yes it is. I want him to break. I want it to break. Oh, doy, this is blocked off. So I literally can't. I literally can't mess up. Go down there. And whee! There we go. Okay. Oh, and then the other hole would have led me over to the other side. Cool. But this side has a chest. Crystal egg? That looks important. Oh, you have a lot of blunt. I'm gonna save you, actually. Okay. Let's do you. And get some live mana. And then... Fist. Sweet fist. Can do that. Yeah! Nice. Ow. Dang, only going for fist? Why? Okay, well, you're almost dead, so... Bye, bitch. Ooh, I blocked that good. I'm shocked. Okay, let's do that, and... Get out of here with that nonsense. And then, yeah, just regular. Not quite enough. He's gonna have, like, what, 4 health left? Okay, that sucked. Yeah, literally 4 health. Get out of here. And then we'll just live mana and hit ya. That's it for you, buddy. Eggs and wheat. Oh, okay, we're going up. Oh, that just takes us back. Interesting. Alright, well, considering that area was blocked off, then we do that. Surprise, mother effer. Okay, I'm gonna need... Alright, let's do this. No, wait. No, I want this. Dang, I keep looking at the wrong thing. Single target, though. I guess I'll just take out one of your guys' specials. Whatever. You're still gonna hurt like a bitch. But that's fine. Actually, out of all the specials from you guys I've seen, that one's actually, like, not that bad. There's other ones that are worse. Okay, so you're weak to blunt, huh? Okay, finally that guy's dead. And of course you're gonna hit again. Damn! So sometimes I nail the blocks like every time, and then other times I just never ever get it, ever. Grab those. Ooh! Champion's omelet, hey now! I'll happily have that. And up here we go. Convenient that we find a frickin' recipe for an omelet in a bird place. Take the old crystal egg. Oh! Sweet. Anything up here? No? Okay. Back up we go then. And then we're gonna get shot up into the air Because this wind thing is here. Whee! I guess his wind shit just works for every single one of those now, huh? Dope. Ooh. Hey! There's that guy. Don't we need to talk to you or whatever? Are you good? I don't remember. Seat of the ooh. Wait, seat of triumvirate. Oh, we're just straight up here now. Well, shit. Oh. Do I have anything? How do I make a champion's omelet? I can't make it. Tomatoes and eggs. 250. God damn. Ooh. Yeah, I want to make more of those. Having lots of MP is good. Oh god, that looks so good. It's making me hungry, man. Okay, and then I can make one more berry jam. Yeah. Let's see. I have a shell chest down there. Gimme. I take. Okay, now which way is the right way to go? Well, can't do anything with that yet, so up it is. I figured up was the correct way to go. Oh. Ooh, staff. Helpful for... go down. There we go. Yeah. Oh, so many steps. Oh, nothing in this little corner? Did I see a little, like, offshoot there? Huh. Weird. Whatever. Probably just flavor stuff. Flavor background. I don't know. Sup, guys? I'ma fight you all. New challenges have bested the spires. The triumvirate of eminence acknowledges your presence. So you're in charge here? You will address the great illuminator by title. We didn't come to replace you. Then what is it you seek? Esther Stay. I don't know how to pronounce that. Only one possible wrong answer, and you just gave it. Preposterous. It is not the place of anyone to stand in the presence of our God. For centuries our people have been its gatekeepers. What you ask is impossible. Please listen. Whoever put you up to this has gravely misled you. Was it the Fleshmancer? I bet it was the Fleshmancer. Esther Stay is no god. We built it to... Silence! Okay. The triumvirate of evanescence reigns supreme, and I, Abstarak, am its leader. Trespassers seek to violate our laws and commune with our god. Prepare for elimination. Alright, we're doing this. Interesting combination. Yeah, let's do that. Prominently on you. What the what? Okay. Let's take care of that. Ow, bombs. Okay. Right, they're a boss, so obviously wouldn't show their weaknesses. Let's attack the middle guy. Nice. Okay. Poison. So we need you. Can I do a poison and moon combo? I can, but I don't have enough. Okay, good. We'll do this then. Nice. And then Moonerang. Hit you with another one of these attacks. Yeah, we'll do this. Okay, 11, that's it? Jeez. Yeah, this is a regular attack, it's fine. Get some mana back. Not a fan of your little bomb friends. Oh, I managed to block it though. Ah, only one hit. Boo. I timed that bad. Oh, nice. Save up my mana until, up until that. Ooh. Okay, do that, and then Solstice Strike on you. Yeah. Okay, I can only take out one of your guys' things. What would be easiest to take out? Shit. Shit, I can't really do that for any of you guys. Huh. Well, I guess I'll do this, take out your moons at least. It's gonna hurt, but oh well. It's gonna hurt having to deal with two of your guys' specials, but what? That was it? Aww! I didn't get more hits on that? Well, shit, now his one's even gonna hurt even more. Oh, ouch. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. That's really bad. That's really bad. Oh god. Oh god. Oh dear Lord in heaven. I'm surprised Sarai's not dead yet. Okay, we need an item like right now that'll heal everyone's HP. Like to the max. We need that shit right now. Oh dear Lord in heaven. Okay. 40, that is not enough. Dear God. That was awful. Well, say goodbye to me, my sashimis, I guess. Ow. Oh, God, and you're gonna... This might be the first time I actually have a KO. Shit. Do I have a combo with, This isn't good. This is not great. I guess this... Yeah... Oh, that's cool. That's cool looking. I like that. Alright, this is gonna hurt. Aw, you just healed them? Well, you know what? That's actually kind of good. I like that. I prefer it. I prefer that option. Yeah, let's see what Valerie's ultimate is. I want to see what it is. Luan is my what it is, say retribution? I don't know. Oh, cool. Woo! Ah, cool. Well, say goodbye to that health you just gained. Oh shit. Eee, okay. Time to heal. I need to make more of these sashimis, man. Or just buy them, heck. Yeah, alright. Please don't go for Valerie. Okay, you're gonna go for everyone, that's fine. Ow. Really needed to block that. Okay, I have the time to use a health item. A health item. Rather than nothing, I guess. Shit. At least I'm out of the red. Okay, I can deal with that. Okay, now let's not mess up the shots on the moon ring, shall we? Okay, good. I need Sarai. And I need this. Okay, I took out the middle guy. That's good. Alright, yeah, that works. Oh, okay, well, I did it on the wrong guy, but you know what? It gets the other guy too, so it's fine. Okay, cool. Took out Daffy Duck. And there we go! Yeah! Featherweight, cool. Oh, we leveled up! Sweet! Sorry guys, you don't mind if we just check our stats real quick in front of you, do you? Alright, magic attack. Okay, that'll be 94. That'll be 100. That'll be 94. That gets less. Or that gets less technically. But they're both 94. And that gets 2, that gets 3. I'll go for this one. That's fine. Okay, that'll be 102. Oh, mana points. Yep, give me that. Okay. 92. 94. 95. Okay, so this one. What? Why? Why do I only have 3? Is something to the max? Why do I only have 3 options? What the heck? Okay, that'll be 94, that'll be... Yeah, so this. Strange. Damn, your shit is high, boost. 6, 7, 8... 505... Oh, your magic attack's low as hell, though. Let's bring that up, shall we? Did I not upgrade Sarai? Maybe I did, I just blocked it out. I don't remember. I'm sure I upgraded everyone. So this is it. Oh, they're just straight up dead. They're not like fainted or anything. Great Illuminator, I have failed you. Alright, damn. I thought they were just gonna faint and be like, alright, we surrender. No, they're just straight up dead. Great Eagle, so this is how you choose to thank us? We gave you flight, and you would repay us with our destruction? Well, you know, you kinda didn't give these guys what they wanted, so, what are you talking about? For you to end our lives after we sacrificed what was requested. Is this irony, or does your cruelty surpass that of your partner? Whoa. Afro. Well then! Are we gonna get a flashback? Oh, shit. Whoa! Whoa. Is that Afro? Or is that Rashawn? Oh no, that's Afro. Whoa. Oh wait. No, that's Rashawn? Wait, hold on. I'm confused. Who's who? No, okay, the one with the turban. Weird. It still didn't show his face, but in the little thing, it's showing his... Okay, whoa. Before we get into this action, I'm gonna leave this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!